Well, after some teasing, it's finally here. The new straight table that's much more dynamic and easy to use for developers and users is available. So let's go and have a look at it. And the first thing I want to do is set up a new sheet, and I'll just call that new table. Nice if I could type. There we go, new table. And I'll click on that to make it happen. And let's go and investigate. So the new table sits in the visualization bundle. It's not a native chart yet. Mike Torello has said that it will become one, so we'll just drag this onto the screen. Let's make it a bit bigger so we can see what's happening. That'll do. And the first question that pops up on the screen here is add columns. So let's go add a few columns, and I'll take just a few from fields and master. And I'm going to put in year and months, and I can choose as many of these as I want, and I could choose them all if I wanted. Let's just go to measures, and I'll take departures in thousands, the load factor, passenger miles in millions, um, passengers in millions as well, and seat miles in millions. Let's add those to the chart. That's what it looks like when you've added things in. So you can add things, multiple things at the one time, which is really nice. Now let's have a look through the presentation area. I'll just call it new table. That's the title. And I'll wander down here and have a look. We've got the styling options that we've had before, so we can change fonts, colors, sizes, those kind of things. And we can also change the header size. So just for the fun of it, I'll make that 20. And there we go. So that'll do in terms of styling. We've all seen, I think most of us have seen that before. There's an option to use pagination, so I'll show that in a moment. And there's an enable of chart explorations to be used for people when they come in to play with the chart. So I'll turn that one on. And what else should I do? That'll do for the moment. So let's just go and have a look at the sheet now that it's been created. Here's the exploration menu over on this side. So I can drag things around as a user, which is really nice. I can decide that I don't want to see passengers millions in this particular piece. Which is nice as well. So I can turn those on and off as a user. And of course, I can search like I can everywhere and Qlik, which is fantastic. And then at the moment, I'm just selecting a particular year. So if I go a little bit further with that and have all the years of this data, you can see there are 36 rows in here, and I'm saying 100 rows per page. I'm going to change that to 25. And then when I go to the second page, I'll see that the rest of those things are on there. So that's dynamic as well and can be changed by the user at the end. This seems like a fantastic addition so far. I've just played with it for these few minutes, and I really like it. Okay, this is the sheet from Mike's Sassin 60 where he introduces the straight table. I wanted to go through the features. You can add many fields at the same time. You can add alternate dimensions and measures. I didn't show that in my part of the video. You can change the column width, as you can see up there. I showed using the field picker. I didn't show it being stored in a bookmark. And I showed the pagination of the app. I really like it. It's in the visualization bundle, as I said on the last part of the video.